I installed the new Moto Pegs from Lone Rider on my BMW 1250 GS. It's a solid build, however, it seems a little extra loose, but then also the spring, it's very loose. So when I'm on the bike, sometimes this spring is not giving enough, and I'm not sure what's going on. Let me kind of show you what I'm talking about here. So if I stand on the bike and I'm going to shift, when I bring my foot back, just sliding it back sometimes, it's real easy, it moves that. So I'm not sure if this is installed properly, if this is the design, it's supposed to be so easy. Also, the actuation is not as much as I thought. I have the easy ones in the front, medium in the rear. The pivot pegs, I think it's called, I didn't like those because they were too free. These are a little bit more stiff, gives me a little bit better control. However, the install, I'm not sure if it's right. I'm not sure if that's the design. If so, I think that's a potential hazard.